Here I've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to enable color inversion on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and go to the accessibility tab, go to the bottom of the list where you will notice color inversion. Simply tap on it to activate it, and as you can see, the colors have been inverted, so now the display is black and the letters are white, so your eyes will definitely feel comfier. So this is the best way to protect your eyes while night reading. So that would be all. This is how you can change the colors of your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.